Starting with this new session, I think you got a fair idea on alarms. Okay, kind of alarms, how to troubleshoot those alarms. Right? But I think nobody has told you about this, how controller get activated at the distribution center. Okay, so I will briefly describe the overview, like how sales process the request, what we do in the region, how we process the audit initial system health check file and send it back to the rep. Okay. After that we activate the system into the app region. Then only the alarms comes into a toolbox. Okay. Okay. In certain steps you may find some changes because this is the general step. Right now what is being followed in the system assurance center, probably after 3 months or 4 months when you will be starting doing the system activation, then only you will get to know, because once you will be entering into the system, nobody will ask you to activate a system. Okay, you will first ask to troubleshoot the alarm. Okay, then there will be a mini system health check. Then after 3 to 4 months of experience, the application base will ask you to troubleshoot, ask you to activate the system. Okay. So as of now, what you have the overall idea like how this system get activated.
So for monitoring is done for about 1 or 2 months depending upon the
Okay.
condition. Water sample is given to the
Okay. Water sample. Water sample has been taken to laboratory. Okay. Fine. What else?
based on the previous data we give it.
Based on the previous data, we sales app generally gives the set point based on the previous condition. Okay, but we first analyze the current configuration which has been given by the sales rep initially. Okay, because they activate it, they install the controller at site. Okay, get the information written into the Excel form which we call as an offline form. Send that. Those forms need to be sent by sales rep to our team. Somebody from the shift need to take that request, input those requests into this Envision page, submit that controller, download the offline form, download the initial system health check, analyze that, send back to the sales rep. Okay, so it will be a 6 to 7 step process. Then only the system get activated into the system assurance center. Okay. Right. You are aware of this page, right? Envision overall. Okay. So here are the different series technologies that are available. Okay. And here are the inventory management where controllers only they have this NGG called as an alpha globally based. Okay. Only used for inventory management. Okay. They are not using that for the parameter monitoring or control, but just for the inventory management. They are using the sensors. That sensors are connected with the NGG, and NGG is sending the data to NGG. Clear? Okay.
Inventory management, like you told, analog input and all.
Okay. In inventory management, what happens when we have this tank, right? We have an inventory tank. Okay. They just want to view the readings of the tank, not for the all parameters. So they install the sensors at the top of the tank. Okay, connect that sensors to NGG, because NGG will have a SIM card that will be used to communicate the data, real-time data, this to the server. Fine. The analog input which I told is actually installed on site again, because your skid is having the NGG. Okay, this data is being sent to controller. Controller sends this data to NGG. Not NGG, but it is communicated through NGG. Okay, NGG is not a storage box. It is just a medium to communicate the data from the controller to the server. Yes. Okay. Any other perception about this, like how the system get activated? I got a few answers on the starting. Any other? Copy. By this time, I think you should be clear about the basic things. Like, see what happens into the system assurance, but how the system gets activated. Okay. Maybe bit of pieces you are aware of, but how they are internally connected, that I need to confirm. Any rough idea, like how the system get activated in the situation window? Okay, are you clear with that term activation? What do you mean by activation?
The controller authenticated.
Okay. Sujata?
Start for
Customer wants service in monitoring, controlling from system assurance.
Yes. Is customer or better to say, my sales rep want their controller need to be monitored by a dedicated team. Okay. So we are the dedicated team. We receive their request to activate their controller for system assurance in the service. Okay. If they do not send a request to us, then also the SCID will monitor the release. Then also if the HG is there, it will send the data to Amazon. But we will not get any alarm from the controller. Even the alarm getting tripped within the controller. Okay, clear, right? It is getting tripped within the controller, but no dedicated team will be able to monitor that on a real-time basis. Okay. So right now I'm just writing down the initial process. Okay. This is my customer, right? Who is interested to take some solution. Okay. So approaching to not other way around. Okay. Sales team found a prospect customer. Okay, to sell the chemical based on their need. Okay. So sales team reached to the customer, like we have a water treatment overall solution where we will provide you the chemicals plus automation plus a dedicated team to monitor your system. Okay, but traditionally it won't help them. Okay, it won't convince my customer initially if sales rep approach in this direction. Okay, initially they take the basic information like whether my customer is required those overall package or not. If not, then probably sales will only pick up the chemical point, not the automation, not the 24/7 monitoring point. Okay, so if my customer says yes, I'm interested in chemical. Okay. Once my chemicals start performing well on site, my sales team says, I believe we have a technology, okay, which will help you to dose these chemicals at optimal level. Okay, that is my purity. Okay. Okay. Purity is sufficient to control the chemical dosage, but at times when there is an issue which needs human intervention, okay, then there is a team which will help you to take care of 3D issues and able to control your 3D so that my 3D can able to dose the optimum product. Okay, that is SAP. Clear? Got an idea? Okay. So now my sales rep has already installed the 3D at site. Okay, so 3D is there at site. Okay. Fine. Now my 3D is there along with the MGG. Okay, sending the data to the web. Okay, but it need to be monitored round the clock, right? That's why sales have send a request to System Assurance Center as send the request to the System Assurance Center in the form of offline form. Okay, this offline form constitute basic information like TLS information, MOC, okay, recipient list, okay. I'm not writing in order because I will open up the sheet right now. Okay, site information. Okay, and there is one more sheet. Okay, so 5 or 6 columns will be there. 5 or 6 different sheet will be there within the same Excel. Okay, which will have the customer location, site information, MOC data, site information, recipient list. Okay, and there is one more sheet. Okay. Right. So we got System Assurance Center received the request to activate a system. Okay. Consider this entity have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the controller serial number. Right? Right. So we received this request. Okay. We fill this offline form information into Envision page. Right. We receive the Excel file which is having some information. We will fill that information into the Envision page. Clear? Right. Once filling that information onto a particular Envision page, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 controller gets submitted on Envision, not activated. Okay. So there is a difference between activation and submission. Initially, you need to submit the controller. Okay. Right. So after this, submission. Clear? Clear the process? Okay. So can somebody repeat this?
What we are filling in that form?
No, we are not filling up the form. We are receiving the information from sales rep in an Excel format, and we are filling that information into Envision. Okay, because that information is in the Excel format. Okay, we need to fill that information into our web. Okay, for that we have this Envision website. Okay, so we have submitted the controller information into Envision. That's why we are calling. We have submitted the controller on Envision. Clear? Clear to this process? Possible.